Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back. The whole cryptocurrency market is crashing. This is not about Bitcoin. This is not only about Ether. This is not only about Dogecoin, or this is not only about Shiba Inu. The entire cryptocurrency market is crashing. We'll talk about why is it crashing, what is driving this crash, what you should worry, whether you should worry about whether it will come back in short period of time. If you want to think about all this, watch the full video, subscribe to this channel, because we have been talking about very time sensitive updates on this channel. We started talking about Dogecoin when it was 3 or 4 cents, and think about it, it is, even with this crash, it is 34 cents right now. We are 10 to 15% up, 10 to 15 times up in terms of profit that we have been getting right now. So subscribe to this channel, click on the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. I want to talk about more in terms of the sentiment of cryptocurrency market right at this point. Do you think that we should do technical analysis? Probably not. Do you think should we look into chart as to how crypto is trading and what is the support level, what is the resistance? Probably not. We should not probably do technical analysis at this point, because it does seem like it is emotion based. People are selling because of the fear gauge. We have seen the fear index all-time high for cryptocurrency right now. I also want to talk about how the volatility is impacting on the top of the fear index right at the moment. I also want to talk about how the smart money is playing this crash. So watch the full video. If you are worried about your investment in cryptocurrency, you should definitely watch this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, this might be your time. So watch the full video, decide for yourself, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing the research and sharing this information with you, hoping you can make informed financial decision. Many times when the entire market crash, it's kind of a spring or elasticity that it gets back up pretty quickly. This might be one of the opportunity that we can think about that and how that has been playing. So let's talk about it. Shiba Inu is down 41% right now, just in last 24 hours. Bitcoin is down 21%, massive downturn. It is below $35,000 right at the moment, 34,564. If you know about Bitcoin, it went as high as about 60,000 level, and it was pretty stable. Now when you look at the technical chart and technical analysis, when everything is stable and it is working based on the buy and sell, this is not based on buy and sell. This is based on emotions. This is based on fear. This is based on volatility, and you should definitely consider this. Now, Dogecoin is down 30%. Now, it is in line with what we are seeing with Ether. Ether is down 27% right now, close to $2,500. We saw that it went above 4,000 levels as well. Is this an opportunity to buy? We'll see what happens. But what I want to talk about today is everything is down right now. If you take a look at this chart, what's happening here? Now, when this happens, I like to take a look into what's going on in general. So if you take a look right here, Bitcoin started getting back up. Look at right here. It was pretty down below, I want to say $34,000 level, or close to $30,000, $31,000. It is getting back up in last 24 hours. We started seeing massive volume. Take a look right here, very important. Same for Ether. Let's take a look at Ether, and if I do one day, you'll start seeing that the volume picked up. Ether started getting back up as well. If you take a look at the Dogecoin, it went to very low, and if I do one day, you will be able to see that there is more volume. It got back up from the 23 cents level right now to 34 cents level. If you think about, if someone bought it to 25 cents even, they are making massive profit in terms of the percentage. Now, what's happening right now? So let's take a look. One of the thing, and you will see this in the news, and this is the first thing I do when every single market, cryptocurrency, or whether every single stock is down, to look into what's going on and how the news has been catered. Bitcoin plunges 30% to $30,000 level in single day. Bitcoin cryptocurrency price wipes out $600 billion of the digital token. Cryptocurrency arranges Bitcoin is below $35,000. Ether falls 30%. Coinbase is down amid massive cryptocurrency plunge because people are looking into Coinbase. They're doing a massive trades on Coinbase, something along those lines. So it is once again based on fear, based on volatility, and based on emotions. Cryptocurrency weakness, inflation fears, slowing down momentum, gang up the Wall Street. Now, if you take a look at all these articles, if someone is new investing in cryptocurrency, they'll get really fearful at this point because they might have just started, they haven't bought something in very early stage. Many of you have bought Dogecoin. If you're following this channel at 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, definitely you might have bought it at 14 cents or let's say 25 cents. But the crux is you bought it at a very low price point in the beginning. So whatever you bought as your nest egg in the beginning has turned out to be 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, or 50 times if someone bought it around 1 or 2 cents. Who knows? So that's what I'm talking about. If you take a look at furthermore this article, Bitcoin plunges, intensifies, tanks 30%, $30,000 in single day. Now when someone thinks about cryptocurrency, the first thing that they think about is Bitcoin. Now if Bitcoin starts plunging, kind of a problem because Bitcoin sort of leads the market. Everyone follows Bitcoin. Ether follows Bitcoin. Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. They all have their own pros and cons. Every cryptocurrency, even Cardano follows, ADA follows Bitcoin and Ether. Now what happens many times is when Bitcoin starts ramping up, Ether starts ramping up, at that time some of the altcoins are not ramping up as fast. When it slows down and it stables, it saturates, at that time, many times we have seen that Dogecoin starts ramping up, ADA Cardano starts ramping up, so on and so forth. So let's take a look right here. The digital cryptocurrency is down more than 30% in one day, $30,000 on Coin Metrics. It hits as low as $30,001.51 and selling pressure intensifies. Now, one thing that you want to think about is Bitcoin has not changed fundamentally in last 24 hours. Ether has not changed fundamentally in last 24 hours. Ether 2.0 is coming. ADA Cardano is doing smart contracts, which is going to help super well, and it could be one of the alternative for the Ethereum that we are looking into. Dogecoin has been on the radar for Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and a lot of other investors who really knows how the money works, how the cryptocurrency works. They are working on making it even better. So there are a few things happen. Elon Musk mentioned that, okay, so Bitcoin is not going to be their cryptocurrency because it's not cool for the environment. Got it. So what is the next cryptocurrency? He's a pro believer in Dogecoin and has been working with Dogecoin developers. Do you think that Dogecoin can stay just right here at 34 cents? That there is coming up with Coinbase listing is coming up. Elon Musk is going to declare some of the stuff around Tesla, and that's a hope in the market. Third thing I want to talk about is their work. Elon Musk and his team may work with the Dogecoin developers to make it even better. Dogecoin can be used for more and more businesses. Mavericks, Mark Cuban, they're using Dogecoin as their cryptocurrency to take orders and sell their products and services. So these are all things they do not really change overnight. But once again, crypto tumbles, wipes out $600 billion off of the digital token in a week. Yes, that is correct. Now, if someone is new to the cryptocurrency, someone has just started buying, someone bought it around 55,000 range, and whatever they bought, I'm just giving you an example. If someone bought Dogecoin on that SNL night at 70 cents, definitely they are fearful, and which is why the fear index is all-time high. Take a look right here. Fear index for crypto right now is extreme fear 23. 23 shows extreme fear. It was yesterday. 21 once again shows extreme fear. When it's green right here, 68, it shows greed, which was last week. Last month it was 74. Extreme greed, because if you have noticed the way Dogecoin worked, it started getting back up. So I wanted to show you 1 month chart and you will be able to see. Take a look right here. It was 24 cents. It was 35 or 44 cents just on May 3rd. So right now we are almost there. And if you take a look right here, precisely 41 cents on May 3rd, right now we are at 37 cents. We went as down as 23 cents, and which is once again smart money has started taking the advantage of buying more and more crypto. So one thing I wanted to show you, very important, ether wells have diamond hands sentiment data shows, and this is just once again, this is the pretty new data, pretty latest data that came out this morning. You really want to follow what the smart money does, and that's why personally me, I'm not worried about, I'm not financial advisor, so I would like you to do your own due diligence and analysis instead of just freaking out. Now, data from cryptocurrency analytics firm Sentiment shows that the Ethereum wallet or clusters of wallet with over 10,000 ether have not budged during the market sell-off that is going on right now. That shows that ETH value dropped by over 25% and its all-time high. Now, according to the Sentiment, the well also shows that 34.3 million worth of second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization barely touched their funds during the sell-off. Only 8 addresses moving out of that category. What that suggests? What does this suggest is the whales, ether whales who are holding massive amount of ether, they are not selling, and they are probably buying more and more because this might be a good opportunity. Now, I'm not saying that you can double your money just within a few hours, or maybe yes, maybe not. But what I'm trying to say is the fundamentals do not change. Fundamentally, the way the cryptocurrency works or supports smart contracts or whatever the unique features that they have to identify the fraudulent products that they have, ADA Cardano that is going to support that, something like Dogecoin who has a really small transaction fee that can be used to buy and sell products and services. The fundamentals do not change. Yes, there are some warning from China. Yes, there are some negative comments about Bitcoin from Elon Musk. But once again, the stored value of Bitcoin has not changed. The way Bitcoin started and the way it has been working has not changed. According to the Sentiment, the whales with over 34.3 million worth of second largest cryptocurrency, they do not touch their fund. On the second hand, ether address holding between 100 to 10,000 ether seemingly sold some of their holdings during this downturn, with the number of addresses on the category ultimately dropping to 3-year low. So what this suggests is basically whoever is holding very small amount of crypto from 100 to 10,000 ether, right? They started selling maybe because of fear, maybe because of emotions, maybe because of healthy profit booking, who knows what. But the important thing is they sold it when it was tanking, which might hurt because they might not be solid investors and they are there for the short term. So which is why the sell-off happens. Extreme fear gauge grips Bitcoin market after the plunge. Sentiment gauge shows the drop in the sentiment follows the past week's Bitcoin price plunge according to the research. Now, this is pretty true in my opinion. The fear and greed index metric is a measure of current sentiment in Bitcoin, not only in Bitcoin, in cryptocurrency market has fallen to extreme fear levels not seen since April 2020. So this is kind of very new. This may bubble up for next few days or maybe a week, who knows when. But once again, the drop in the market sentiment follows the past week's plunge. In addition to the Bitcoin price about $43,200, and it went all the way to $30,000, $31,000 that we have seen, and went as record high as $65,000. So you and I both know that the sentiment may change very soon in the future when people start realizing that the fundamental has not changed. The cryptocurrency fear and greed index once again get back up into the greedy zone that people are not selling. So what I'm doing for myself is I'm not doing anything, quite honestly. I'm not buying, I'm not selling, because I have enough Dogecoin right now. I have enough other cryptocurrencies, and I do not really buy and sell. I'm not a day trader. So I just wanted to share what I'm doing when the crypto market is crashing down so fast. I hope this video helps you out. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, because we share time sensitive updates on this channel. I thank you for your help, support and assistance on the growth of this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy investing.